How does your body send and receive information from one part to another? What do you know about the human brain? Make a list. How do you think your brain communicates with the rest of your body? Type your thoughts in the box below.
Hello, friends. Today we'll learn about the nervous system. How do our lungs remember to breathe when we're asleep? How does your nose tell you that your favorite cookies are baking in the kitchen? Our nervous system is in charge of these things and a lot more. In fact, it's the boss of our body. Nervous system is a network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. Our nervous system controls everything we do, including breathing, smelling, and moving. The two main parts of the nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the part of the nervous system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. The brain lies protected inside the skull, and from there it controls all the body functions by receiving and sending messages through the nerves. The brain has three major parts. The biggest part is cerebellum. It has two parts, the left and right cerebral hemispheres. Scientists think that the right part helps us think about abstract things like music, shapes, and colors. The left part is more analytical, helping us with math, speech, and logic. The brainstem in the brain links the brain to the spinal cord and the rest of the body. It is in charge of all the functions our body needs to stay alive, like breathing air and digesting food. Now, the peripheral nervous system. It includes all the nerves that go from the skin, muscle, and organs to the spinal cord and brain. The peripheral nervous system has two functions. Some of the nerves receive information when we taste something. These messages are carried to the brain by these nerves. They're called sensory nerves. Other nerves carrying messages from the brain to the body are called motor nerves. They tell us what action should be taken. The peripheral nervous system controls some automatic actions like breathing, digesting, etc. All the nerves are made up of neurons. They have three main parts: nucleus, dendrites, and the axon. Dendrites take in the electric messages to the cell bodies. Axon takes the messages away from the cell body. Now, you know a lot about the nervous system. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Look at the pictures and words below. Drag an orange circle to show which are controlled by your central nervous system. Now you know that the central nervous system is in charge of everything your body does. The central nervous system is also called the control center of the body. Why is this a good name for it? Type your answer in the box provided. The central nervous system. Your central nervous system is the control center of your body. It links all body systems and carries signals from one system to another. Your brain and spinal cord are parts of your central nervous system. Your central nervous system controls your breathing, heart rate, and the movements of skeletal and smooth muscles. The central nervous system also handles information about what is happening outside your body. It gets much of this information from sense organs such as your eyes, ears, nose, and tongue. The system then sends messages to different body systems so you can respond. Suppose a friend yells, "Catch!" You see the ball, reach out, and grab the ball in midair. All these actions depend on the central nervous system sending signals between many body parts. The spinal cord. The spinal cord is the main communications path that connects the parts of the central nervous system. 3 layers of connective tissue cover and protect the spinal cord. Signals pass along it between your brain and the rest of your body. Sometimes the spinal cord decides what your body does. Your body reacts before you think for even a split second about what to do. The action is quick and automatic. Reflexes such as blinking or pulling your hand away from a hot surface are controlled by your spinal cord. The brain. The brain is a very complex organ that is made up of billions of nerve cells. It is the central nervous system's main switching area. The same 3 layers of connective tissue that cover the spinal cord also cover the brain. A watery fluid also surrounds the brain and spinal cord. The skull, layers of connective tissue, and fluid all help protect the brain from injury. Neurons. The basic working unit of the nervous system is the nerve cell or neuron. All parts of your nervous system contain neurons. A nerve is a bundle of neurons, and many bundles of neurons make up the spinal cord. Neurons are specialized cells. They carry information in the form of electrical signals. A signal to or from the brain goes through many neurons. Every neuron has a cell body with a nucleus. The cell body has 2 types of extensions. One type carries nerve signals away from the cell body. The other type sends them toward it.